Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss whether Gmail is HIPAA compliant. So Gmail is basically not HIPAA compliant by default. So if you're using the free version, the standard version of Gmail that ends with gmail.com, it doesn't meet HIPAA requirements because Google doesn't sign a business associate agreement for personal accounts. However, Gmail can be made HIPAA compliant if you're using Google Workspace for business. To be compliant, you must sign a business associate agreement with Google. Then you need to properly configure Gmail security settings, which includes encryption, access controls, etc. And also you need to train your staff on HIPAA rules and maintain internal compliance practices. And even then, it's important to remember that using Gmail under HIPAA involves shared responsibility. So that means that Google secures the platform, but you must handle the data responsibly. So in conclusion, unless you're using Google Workspace with signed business associate agreement and strict security protocols, standard Gmail shouldn't be used to send or receive protected health information. So that's all from me. I hope this video helped you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.